This is the before. We changed the wood into something more good. And changing to and here this wall we make more up. So hi guys.
Guys.
So guys, welcome to my channel, Giza Rodriguez channel. Have fun. Guys, tomorrow we will do renovation here. This is the before. We changed the wood into something more good.
Before and later. Also the ceiling here.
These two we will make changing, guys. There. And this changing paint because it's not nice anymore. This wall too. Here, this wall we make more up. And these two. Changing to and repaint because so it's already away, guys. Charan for the moment.
So the guys are starting. Starting with the under roof. It comes through. Huh? And this one is nearly finished with the white. Wow.
Quay đâu? Đi ra đâu? Đi đâu? Đây đấy.
Okay, so trying again. Here the wall cutting for the extension.
Here too they make already skim coat and already make extension. So the ceiling here, guys, is finished. That's only a tool shop and washing room. So guys, after 4 days working, they're fully finished for the skim coating all over. This one in the there, it's not it. And Judith is so busy because all over is white. Oh, and here, guys, it's fully closed. And the boss there. Well, there. Also, the skin coating is finished. Charan. The painting will be same of this, guys. And Mr. Girl is busy picturing. The ceiling, the materials not yet arrived. Maybe on Friday that they can finish these too. Anyway, 5 days working now. Charan, Judith still busy there. The color of this house, guys, is same uniform uniform like of this. And over there, it's nearly finished too. It's already close.
Much later.
Start painting, guys. So as for the moment, guys, today they already put this it's already colored. Yeah, today Thursday, second week. Yeah, and this is finished too, guys. It's the extension, guys. And color too, it's not yet fully, it's only first coat painting. So they put two here, the white one, yeah. And here soon this will be away and will be changed. And this is the septic tank. Here, guys, that's always full. We always have problems, so we make new. Yeah, and yeah, soon it will be colored here, and this will be away change because this is only wood, guys. Every rainy, it's always dropping something. So yeah, we plan to make it new. No more wood and more high. And yeah, and this will be away too. There will be tiles and color too.
So now the roof starts. Material is here. Here's the material. Wow.
So guys, they already start here. The ceiling. Also there, over there. It's no more wood, guys. Before it's a plywood, I think. And now it's another kind of materials. And here too. And here is not yet. Maybe tomorrow they will finish it. Here they will finish. Not yet here. Her finish. You see, but it's more better now. So before it's open here, and here they will plan to make a channel. That's why they break this, or they already finished. Yeah, they make here. That's the new septic tank.
The Pozo Negro, you know, where the water will flows from the sink.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.
Yeah, guys, because before they go here, but it's always not running.
One eternity later.
Oh, guys, another day finished with working. And,
Two.
now 2 weeks. Maybe the half is finished. Maybe.
painting, and over there finish fully. Wow, it's no more the wood. It's nice now. Oh, diba? Over there, over there, over there. Finish. Only here, not yet. Only here now. Stop. Then here, not yet. Then yeah. And here the painting is not yet fully. Here to finish it. It's the kitchen washing tube. This is new. The one the break. It's now fully covered. Here too. Here is closed. That's the connection. Tomorrow.
And there's the coating on the other side of the wall. Tomorrow on Friday. Maybe Friday.
Maybe tomorrow or Friday. This one will be away. Because there's already a roof over there. It's green, guys. It's for the roof. Yeah, here is not yet fully, I think. But they will finish it, maybe.
Guys, another day finished is working, and now 2 weeks. Maybe the half is finished. Maybe.
Watch it here, guys. Next week again. So this one is the next project. Not yet.
Next week is our new septic tank for the kitchen water. The old one was too small, and
The old one was there.
the new one is there, and then going a pipe with the overflow around the house.
And the plants here are away. Only the calamansi. So next week to here.
Finishing the upper, and then the roof. The roofing.